Hello you guys, today I'm back with another video on how to create thumbnails. First thing you're going to need to do is have an account with Canva, okay? So make sure you go to canva.com, you set up your account, C-A-N-V-A, the link is going to be down below my video. Once you get to the page, it's going to look like this. You're going to hit up here, create a design. You're going to hit YouTube thumbnail or whatever it is you're trying to do, Instagram post or whatever. But here we want to do a YouTube thumbnail. So we're going to hit here. We're going to wait for the page to open. You're going to get the square box. I'm sorry it's so slow today. And I'm going to, okay, in here we have some designs already created. You can change out that picture if you want, or you can use the picture that's already there. I think I want to use this picture. Here I'm gonna edit the words. I'm gonna edit the words. How to create a YouTube thumbnail. Here I'm going to put in less than 5 minutes. Really it's 3 minutes. Less than 3 minutes. Okay? And I can if you want to change out the picture you can, but let's see, because it's been moving kind of slow. I'm going to see if I can do this for you guys. So you click on the picture. If you already have some photos uploaded, good. If not, you click on that and you're going to upload your photos. And this is where they're going to come right here. I already have some pictures uploaded, so I'm going to scroll down over here. And I'm going to hit this picture, what I always use. It's going to pop up over here. We're going to move it to the circle. Now, up here, you want to edit the photo because you want to take the background out. So I want to take the background out. I'm going to hit edit photo. Right here. See, it's moving slow. Holy Jesus. Okay, so then we're going to hit BG. I should have left the picture up there, huh? Because it's moving really slow today. For some reason, it's giving me a hard time. It usually don't. I don't know what's going on. Okay, we're gonna hit edit photo again. We're gonna hit BG mover. That's background remover. It's gonna take the. You see how I took the background out off my picture? I'm gonna slide it up here some. And then I want to add some elements. I want to hit subscribe, the word subscribe or something on here. So you go to elements and you put, I'm gonna hit subscribe icon. Whatever you want, you just put it here and it'll bring it up. So I'm gonna put that here. Whatever you hit on, it pops up over here. I'm gonna move it here. And that's it. That's my YouTube thumbnail. Let me see if I can move it. I want to move it over here at the bottom. Let's see. What you guys think? I'll move this up. And I want to move this box up some. And I should change it from a circle to a... Okay, we'll just leave that centered there like that. And there you have it. How to create your thumbnail. You're going to hit share. It's going to give you several options as to how to share. I want to download it. The sidebar is getting in my way. Sorry about this, guys. Exit drawing. Let me see if I can move this sidebar out the way because it's in my way. But here, I want to exit. I'm sorry about this. I'm working. I have two programs open at the same time. So I'm going to hit download right here. A box is going to come up when you hit share, and you're going to hit download. Let's do it again. We're going to hit download. It's not going to take you this long. You want to download it as a PNG file for a thumbnail. You're going to hit download, and you see it there? Just download it.